It's Michelle Abarca. Today I'm going to show you how to Tupperconnect your parties. The first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have a paid-for Tupperware website. You can't Tupperconnect a party if you have the free website. The way you can find out to be sure if you pay for your website is to log into my.tupperware.com with your username and password. On the top right corner, press the little down arrow and then click on Account. On the left side under Account, click on Subscription. Then you'll see if you pay for your website. Again, you cannot Tupperconnect a party if you don't have a paid-for website. Once you've done that, you're ready to connect your party. Go to My Sales, click on Place Order, click on Party History, and click on Start a New Party. Just like with any other party, you'll do your party setup page where you have a description of the party. You'll choose what type of party it is, and then you'll fill out the information on the host. Be sure that you fill in the hostess's email address in order to make this a Tupperconnect party. Once you've done that, click on Combine this party with an online party. Make sure you put the party start time, then click on Next. Your next screen should look like this. I usually click on Yes, I want to invite guests myself. When I do that, it brings me to a page that looks like this. Here is the Tupperconnect link for that hostess's party. What I like to do is copy and paste this link onto a Word document where I keep all of my Tupperconnect party links. And that way it's easy to access so that I could share it with my hostess and she could share it with her friends and family. Once the link is shared, hopefully your host will start to collect orders. There are two ways that you can check to see if you have any Tupperconnect orders with this party. The first way is to click on Quick Links on the top of the party setup page, and a window should pop open like this. If there are any Tupperconnect orders, they'll be in this box right here. If you want to see details on the Tupperconnect orders, you can click on View All Tupperconnect Orders. That will bring you to a page that looks like this. If you want to see even more details on each order, you can click on the order number in blue, and a window will pop up giving you all the details on each order. Another quick way to check to see if you have any orders is to go to my.tupperware.com, log in, and click on Tools. A drop-down menu will come and you'll click on My Website Orders. If you have any website orders, they'll show up here. You'll also see the hostess's name, if the party's still open, what the total sales were, and what your commission was on each order. If for some reason you lose the link to a Tupperconnect party, it's easy to go back and find it. Just go back to Party History and click on Manage Tupperconnect Party. When you do that, you'll see the link again. When the party's over and you're ready to close the party out, just go back to Party History and click on Host Order and close the party out as you normally would. And that is how you Tupperconnect a party.